Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and I'm an early childcare educator. I make videos on DIY crafts and activities for kids every week. So in today's video, we're gonna be making no-cook Play-Doh. Here's what you're gonna need for today's recipe. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of table salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, a mixing bowl, about 1 to 1.5 cups of boiling water, and then you can grab some food coloring or glitter for your Play-Doh, but today I'm gonna use some dried flowers I had hanging around the house. So all we have to do is mix the flour, salt, vegetable oil, and cream of tartar in the bowl, and then we're gonna slowly add the hot water. If you wanna color your Play-Doh with food coloring, just make sure you put it in the hot water first. These smell so good. Okay, so don't forget, if you want to add food coloring, this is the time. Put it in the water first and then slowly pour it into your mixture. All right, so we're ready to mix it all up. It's the first time I used dried flowers and this is pretty cool. It just smells like tea. I'm loving it. So this is a great recipe to get your kids involved. They can help you measure out the ingredients and pour them in. Just obviously be careful with the boiling water. I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out because it's kind of looking like rainbow cake batter right now and I'm super into it. Okay, so it's not too hot anymore. I'm gonna start using my hands to really mix it all together. Okay, I'm super happy how this turned out. Definitely gonna use dried flowers more when I make some Play-Doh. Smells good and looks pretty. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this episode, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. It really helps us out. See you next time.